Leif's birthday party. Everyone's having a fabulous time, even though it is pouring rain. Everyone loves the ramp and the swings. People are barreling down the slide. Rain isn't stopping anyway. And all the grown-ups are staying warm inside.
Yeah, this is not a good spot. It's going to be chilly, so you should wear pants.
Yeah, okay.
Happy birthday to Leif. Happy birthday to Leif. Happy birthday, dear Leif.
If you open the paper, I can take out the tape that's around there.
Happy birthday to Leif. What could it be? This is from Mom and Dada.
Here, let me get the tape.
That's it. What is it?
What is it?
Did you show me?
Wow! Cool. A water tower.
It's in Leif. Look
Wow.
this way. Show me this way so I can see it.
Whoa, look at the train
I think we
tracks.
could finish our...
Wow. Look, Vinny. Train tracks. Soccer at the zoo. Go, guys. Go, go. Run, Finny. Get it. Go. Good hit, Finny. Go, 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 go. Good game. Good practice. Whoa. Whoa, Vinny got it. Nice. Okay, Vinny's up.
Push it over.
Whoa, there it goes, Vinny. There it goes.
Okay, get another.
Oh, comes Vinny's lucky ball. He's looking carefully. There she goes. He's cheering it on. Go, 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 go. Yay! One pin standing. Leif has got a great children's 6-pound ball. There she goes. Rush. Oh, 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 oh. Are we going to get it? Oh, so. Here we are, PE class at Peabody School. Looks like Club Med. Leif has a great time playing handball after school. He can play for 40 minutes with no snacks, no breaks to pee, no altercations. And he's eating like a goat. Is that delicious? One more time?
One more eat like a goat?
And he's demonstrating eating like a pig. I think this is Leif and Finny's favorite game. Bob agreed to have a tickle fight.
They boxed up. A monster made.
It's Easter weekend, and Leif and Vinny are opening their Easter presents.
Vomit! Vomit! Shit! More train tracks.
More train track.
These
And
train
a
tracks.
Thomas set.
A Thomas set, Vinny.
Ooh, there's connectors.
Connectors.
Look at these.
Just from Mom and Daddy.
Yeah, I got Stanley.
Stanley, how cool is that?
Oh, this is huge.
How nice of Mom and Dada. What did you get, Vinny?
I'm still opening mine.
What did you get, Vinny?
Oh, I got James.
Oh, cool.
I got another James. Cool. And it's not a battle James.
At Oscar's party, and there's a pinata.
You're next.
You guys can put your candy in here. There's some cups here. Put your candy. You can have this one. Okay. Cup.
Okay, ready?
Go. Bodie, do you do the cup?
Wow!
Whoa!
There we go.
Now everybody runs in and gets the candy.